Why, my royal queens and kings, it is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. In today's video, I'm going to try this tape trend. I've tried it before with the red, but I want to try it again. She did this like Valentine's look, and I know it's not Valentine's yet, but by the time you see this video, it will be Valentine's, so it will be over or past Valentine's. I don't know. But anyway, it's not gonna look nothing like that, because y'all know I don't do things the way everybody else do it. It's not because I can't. I can't. I can't do it the way she did it. But I am gonna try to do it her way. I don't know how she did her hearts, but how I'm gonna do my hearts is I have bought a bunch of sticker hearts because there's other makeup look I want to do. But I have bought a bunch of sticker hearts. I'm just gonna put them where I want the hearts to be after I do my color. And then I'll outline them. I'm gonna try my best. Like, look, this channel is about trying new things, going outside your box, because I'm definitely going outside my box, trying these looks, trying to be, you know, different, trying to do things a lot different. That's what I'm doing. Oh, that's my earbud. Let's say if it was a snake, it would have bit me. I really be trying to get this camera to not focus on my bed. This thing was not recording. Oh my God. I'm so crushed. I put tape on. I put my primer on, my Fenty primer. And I went in with my Pro Concealer. And I just put it in here where I want it to be, my base. And then I'm going to go over it with my purple color. I don't even know if I got the part about my diamonds. But today I'm going to use my diamonds. Instead of using my stickers, I have bought some diamonds. Some like face diamonds. Like this size. Some small ones. Now what the hell did I do with it? Oh my God. Things are coming up missing. I lost my diamonds already. I'll find it. I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. But I'm going to go ahead and put on my purple eyeshadow all over my face. Well, first I'm going to put my diamonds on, so I'll be right back. Alright, so before I put my purple eyeshadow on, I'm going to take my diamonds and put them in different places on my face. I have these little ones. And I guess it don't matter what color I use because it's not going to show the color. I'm not showing the color. I don't know. Like, what's the purpose of using it, right? Okay, I'm gonna put the diamonds on, and I'll like try to design it some way. I got these big ones, so I'm gonna do pink and silver and red. I'm gonna do all of them. But I'm gonna put like 2 or 3 of them all over before I no, because I want the purple. I want it to go outside. Oh God, we gotta figure this out. I'm gonna do the ones I want inside first. So yeah, let's do that. A good thing you don't gotta put no glue on it because they're already sticky. I don't know how they're gonna stick to this makeup though. A little bit of hearts over. So I got these colors that I got that Danielle got me from Temu, and they are very pigmented. So I'm going to go in with this purple, and I'm going to go over my face with this using a brush, of course. I'm gonna use my blending brush that I got from Amazon that was less than $1. It's a lot. It picks up a lot.
Looks so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby. Here's to me laying. Those memories keep playing.
Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is probably take this tape off. And not clean up, but like try to go over around my hearts. Yeah, it's a lot of cleanup. But it came out okay. It came out okay. A lot of cleanup though.
Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby.
So what I'm gonna do is take some white liner. I think this is white. My white liner from Ruby Kisses, and go around my hearts. And I don't have a lot of white, so we want to make it work.
Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You need some patience. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby, baby. Only one to turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me out. Leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, oh. Hindsight is 2020. Oh, oh, oh. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient, so patient. I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby. Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you, no matter.
I saw this trick. First of all, I don't like the way it look. But I started it, I'm gonna finish it. So, but I don't like it. I just want to be clear that I don't like it. Okay. I saw this trick before, where this lady made her double chin disappear. Hold on. So she took some dark concealer. This is my darkest concealer. Yeah, I think. This is my darkest concealer. I'm going to put it under my chin. I don't know how she put it on, but she put it under her chin. I think it's done two different ways. So she put it under her chin. It's already like it's gone. And she took her foundation brush and, blend it out. And that made her chin disappear. I really need to lose some weight just for my chin. But I don't want to lose weight. But I don't want my chin to be here. I don't want a double chin, but I don't want to lose weight. Ah, the struggles. The struggles. Oh, look at that. My chin is gone. And I worked out. Y'all ain't see it, but I worked out. Look at that. I think it looks like it's gone. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm not really for sure. But this is how it's looking. Like I have no chin. But also like I have a beard down there. Need to blend that out a little bit more. That looks horrible. But it looks good at the same time. Good and horrible. Alright. My arm hurt. But this is how it's looking so far. I really like the purple. I really wish I could do my stars better and my hearts. But of course, I'm not an artist. And for some reason, I can never get things right when I'm doing other people's stuff. And I need to blend this out. I'm going to add my lashes. And I'm going to use already used lashes. I don't never use my brand new lashes unless I'm actually going somewhere. And I probably am going to the store. But I'm not going to wear my face. I'm going to wash this off and then go to the store. So these are the lashes I'm going to use. They're already used lashes. And I had another one I was going to put on, but I can't find the other one. It's under all this stuff. Alright, so this is how it's looking with the lashes. And it's starting to look a little cuter than it did before. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips.
What we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me.
So I'm doing my hair. I'm trying to get these baby hairs to lay down a little bit. So the makeup look will look a fire. Even though I really wish that it came out a little bit better. I gotta accept it for what it is. It came out okay. We tried it. And it came out okay. It never looks like the person who I'm copying or getting the idea from. Never does. I need to accept that. So far, I can't think of anything else I want to do to this look. So this is my final look. I really wish I had my comb, or I can do this part and make it look a little better, because it looks so fluffy. Like you can't see my part. And my comb is downstairs, and I'm not going downstairs. Maybe I'll go downstairs and when I go take my pictures and I'll get it and I'll do a better part. But for right now, this is how this is looking. I really like the purple. The purple really stands out. Of course, it looks better without my glasses because you can see it. And I'm really happy that I decided to go through with this instead of stopping when I didn't like it. I don't like the stars, but you know, it's a learning lesson. I don't know how to do these stars. I did them in a crisscross, if you can tell. I don't know. And I just went with it. I have a little tiny brush that I use. I feel like maybe I was going too fast, so that's why they didn't come out like I wanted them to. I have zero patience. I need to really, I need to work on that, but I'm 43. I'm not going to work on it. This is the brush. This is how tiny it is. And I just took some of my white concealer and put it on a piece of paper to get it out because I couldn't find my little jar. I couldn't find my jar, like this size jar with the white concealer in there to use for that. But anyways, you guys, this is the end of my video. I don't have my Valentine stuff up because I haven't bought it. I just really want to do this makeup look. Also, shout out to my co-worker, Crystal. I don't know if you watched this, but she the one gave me the idea of doing it. Trying to do something different other than the regular Valentine colors like pink, purple, and red. So I just did the purple. You know, purple is not one of my favorite colors, but it's my favorite colors in makeup because I feel like it looks so good on my skin. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. What do you think about the look? I myself didn't like it at first, but I'm starting to like it, and I know that when I do my filters, because I will, they're gonna look real good on there. I probably put my big glasses on too. But anyway, I'm gonna take a lot of pictures. Okay, probably I won't. I probably won't because I don't really like it. But I don't know. I'm gonna take some pictures, and they're gonna mostly be on Instagram before they even be shown on Facebook, YouTube. I mean, I'm trying to wait. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you have a look that you want me to do, please inbox me on my... I thought I heard something. Inbox me on my Instagram or my Facebook Messenger. All my links are below, so do check me out. Support me everywhere. I will return the favor. And I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.
Closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the day?